This is the latest stimulator from HMS Medical System, and this is the Digistream 202. This is the machine itself, and these are the accessories which come with the machine out of the factory. And this is the straps to hold the electrodes, and this is the power cable. These are the cables to connect the electrode to the machine. These are the electrodes itself, and it's a pouch to give wet treatment. And this is a pen electrode and a user manual. So these are the contents which will come along with the machine when purchasing it. Now let's get to the working of the machine. Switching on the machine is very simple. You have to plug in the power cable to the back of the machine, and there will be a power button to the back of the machine. Switch it on to power on the machine, and now the machine is started. Now the machine is in on state, and these are the different main menus which are available with the machine. So we have stimulator, we have TENS, we have diadynamic, we have FES, and we have memory settings. So you can store total of 30 different memory settings according to your needs. So all these memory settings are rewritable, so you can rewrite whenever you want. So now let's get into the stimulator first. With stimulator, we provide you with galvanic, interrupted galvanic, which has both diagnostic and therapeutic, and plain Faraday and surge Faraday. Next, we'll move on to TENS. TENS has 4 different modes: continuous, burst, sweep, and both burst and sweep combined together. So these are different modes available with TENS. Next, we'll move on to diadynamic. So diadynamic also has 4 different modes: diadynamic DF, diadynamic MF, CP, and LP. So these are the 4 different modes available with diadynamic. Now so the fourth one is the functional electrical stimulator. So this function is very special, and it's present only with the Digistream 202 in our lineup. And this FES feature is mostly found with machines which are way more expensive than the Digistream 202. This feature is available only with machines which are above 1 lakh rupees. So we provide you this FES feature with a machine which costs way less than other machines. We'll move on to the basic functionalities of the machine. This Digistream 202 is basically a 2-channel output machine, and there is one specific feature which is available only with this machine, and none of our competitors have those features. We'll go through that now. Well, as I said, this machine contains 2 different channels for outputs, and you can set 2 different outputs to both the channels while operating. So as you can see, now I'm selecting the stimulator and galvanic, and I'm starting this one. It will ask you whether you want to start up with the channel 1, channel 2, or dual channel, so giving the output to both the channels. So I'm selecting just channel 1. Now the output is set only to the channel 1, and only channel 1 receives this galvanic output. After that, you can set a different output like a TENS or FES or another mode in stimulator, so it can be set for the channel 2 separately. Now I am selecting this channel 2 switch right here, and you can set any of the functions from the main menu. Now I am going with TENS, continuous, and I am starting it now. Now the channel 2 runs TENS continuous mode, and the channel 1 runs stimulator galvanic mode. So you can run different modes simultaneously on both the channels. So this is one specific feature which is available only with our machine, and none of the competition has this feature in India, and we are very proud to say it. Now the timer can also be set differently for both the channels. As you can see, the channel 1 goes with 13 minutes, and the channel 2 goes with 14 minutes. So timer also can be set separately for both the channels. So this is a very unique feature and available only with the Digistream 202. And then we'll stop it right now. We'll return to the main menu, and we also have some settings feature for your customization. Now let's say you'll be hearing this buzzer sound. So that buzzer sound can be turned off on your demand. that is the first option, keypad sound. So the beep sound is actually the buzzer sound which will come with the treatment, so that can be turned off on your demand. And next is the cable test feature and electrode test feature, which is available only with this machine in India. So the cable test feature is basically to test the quality of your cable. So in the long run, this feature will be very useful because your cable might get worn out. So this feature will help you to diagnose your cable status. And then the electrode test mode. So this electrode test mode will help you to know whether your electrode has good conductivity. So the electrode test will be very useful as your electrode gets aged. This feature can be used to test your electrode's capabilities. So these are the features which are available with Digistream 202, and it's very unique to it. And we also provide you with state-of-the-art safety features, which we'll be demonstrating to you right now. And we also provide you with some of the state-of-the-art safety features with this machine. And the most important feature out of the safety list is the odor sensing feature of the electrodes. So here, whenever the electrode does not sense any skin contact with it, the electrode's output is actually cut off from the machine. This will actually prevent the sudden surge of power going to the patient's body. So this will prevent the patient from getting hurt. Now I'm going to demonstrate you this safety feature. Now I'm starting with the channel 1. Now I'm starting the treatment with channel 1, and I'm increasing the intensity. Only then the machine will detect the contact. So now you can see that since there is no skin contact with the electrodes, the machine detects it and it indicates channel 1 cable error. So this is the safety feature which we provide with our machine. And as soon as you place someone's hand over it, as soon as the electrode gets the skin contact, you should press the start button once again. And so after detecting the skin contact, you have to press the start button and the machine will start its treatment once again. So this is the safety feature which we provide with the machine. And you might have also noticed the usage of this yellow color pouch which is provided with the machine with the accessories. So this pouch is actually called the wet pouch, which is used to replace the gel which is used with the electrodes to make the skin contact. So instead of using the gel, the wet pouches can be used by wetting the pouches into water. You can use this instead of a gel. So this is one additional feature which we provide with this machine. So thanks for watching. I hope this video was very helpful, and I hope this video cleared all your doubts about Digistream 202. And if you have purchased this machine, then we are hoping to serve our best customer service to you guys. Thank you for watching.